Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase user engagement with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the main menu. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the type of campaign you want to create, such as an email campaign. Choose a relevant name for your campaign and click Begin. Now, select your audience from the drop-down menu. Make sure to segment your audience for targeted messaging. Click on Design Email to choose a template that fits your brand. Customize your template by adding your logo and adjusting the colors. Add engaging content, including images, videos, and text, to keep users interested. Incorporate clear calls to action, guiding users on what to do next. Optimize your email for mobile viewing to reach users on all devices. Preview your email and send test messages to yourself for quality checks. Once satisfied, schedule the email or send it immediately. After sending, monitor the campaign's performance under the Reports tab. Analyze open rates and click rates to understand user engagement. Use A/B testing to try different subject lines and content formats. Gather feedback from your audience with surveys linked in your emails. Iterate on your campaigns based on performance metrics for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.